Hello student, welcome all of you on our YouTube channel Department of Mathematics Sanjeevani Mahavidyalaya Chapuli. This is lecture for BSc first year student semester 2nd and paper name is Geometry, paper number 4th. In last lecture we was studied some things and that I think so you did the revision on that topics. So today we are going to discuss one example, and that is example if alpha beta and gamma be the angle which a line makes with the positive direction with positive axis, then prove that. Now we have to prove that sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma equal to 2. See here, if alpha, beta and gamma be the angle made by a line with a positive axis, then prove that sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is equal to 2. So this is the example. This example was asked many times in examination. Now we are going to discuss its proof. So we have so alpha, beta, gamma are angles made by a line with positive axis. Then we know that L means direction cosine, and what is the direction cosine? L is equal to cos alpha. Then M is second direction cosine, that is angle made by the line with positive y axis. Then N is equal to cos gamma, that is N with the direction cosine of line which makes an angle gamma with positive direction of z axis or positive z axis. So here we know that one relation, that is we have, I think so in last lecture we was studied on this topic, L square plus M square plus N square equal to 1. That means sum of square of direction cosines is equal to 1, and therefore cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So we know that in 10th standard, in 9th standard we have already discussed sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this gives cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So therefore every cos square can be written as 1 minus sin square alpha, 1 minus cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square alpha, 1 minus sin square beta, 1 minus sin square gamma equal to 1. So this 1 we get 3, minus taking common we get sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to 1. So transferring these 3 to right hand side we get minus sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, and cancelling minus minus on both sides, we get sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma equal to 2. So students, we get our proofs, that is sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma is equal to 2.